Hi everyone, I am Avdesh God. In this video, we will learn about various type of connectivity options supported by Tableau, how to connect to your data source, and much more. Well, let's get started. As soon as you open up Tableau desktop, we are presented with multiple options to connect to a data source. We can search for the published data source available in Tableau server. We can also connect to a file which includes Microsoft Excel, a text file, it might be a JSON, Microsoft Access workbook, a PDF, spatial, statistical file, and much more. Moreover, using this more option, we can also connect to any other flat file type, such as a CSV, delimited data source. We can also connect to a server, which indeed include a huge list of databases, both relational databases and flat file systems, such as MapR, Hadoop Hive, etc. This list is already huge, and you'll find some of the most widely used options, such as MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, Amazon Athena, Teradata, etc., already available over here. But you can always take advantage of the ODBC or JDBC connector if in case your database is not available over here. Moreover, Tableau tends to enhance and improve this list with almost every release. Last but not the least, we have also got the Save Data Sources, which is a TDS file containing the connection information to connect to your data source, which you already connected to previously and saved for your reference. We will learn about how to do that later on in this video. Let us move to demo part to have some hands-on session over the same. In the first example, we will be connecting to an Excel file. To do so, click on the Microsoft Excel option available in the Connect pane under To a File. This will open up a dialog box to allow you to select the file you want to connect to. We will navigate to the file and click Open by selecting the same. Tableau has connected to the selected data source, and you will be able to now see the connection in the left pane along with the option to add a new data source at the top left space. Let us drag the age sheet onto the canvas. In this case, the data source has multiple sheets. You can choose the required one based on your requirements. We can also choose multiple sheets from same Excel using joins. At the bottom pane, we can view the data along with the metadata from the selected data source. We can switch to the metadata view by clicking on this icon. We can switch back to the data source view as and when required. Moreover, we can also sort our data based on the multiple options available in this dropdown. Let us now go to the sheet to understand more about the saved data sources. If you want Tableau to remember the connection that you have connected to, you can save this data source as well. All you need to do is right-click on the data source and select Add to Save Data Sources. Once we hit enter and save the same, a TDS option will be available out there in the Connect Data Source options. Now, if we go back to the Start page, we can see a recently saved data source under the Save Data Sources over here. Now, you can connect to it anytime just by using a single click. As we can see over here, a second instance of the same connection has been established by Tableau. Now suppose you wish to connect to a server. All you need to do is select the required server details by going back to the Connect Data pane. All we need to do is enter the required details such as the server name, database, which is optional, and then the authentication details to sign us in. Thereafter, we can easily connect to the data source. Now you know how to connect to a data source, may it be a flat file or a server connection. And you have also learned about the saved data sources, that is, the TDS files as well. In the next video, we will learn about various options in the Tableau interface.